Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Smart Saline Monitoring System using Load Cell with a GSM SMS Alert. So in this project, we are using an Arduino Uno R3 and GSM SIM 800L for SMS alert purpose. Those are connected with RX and TX 0 and 1 and HX711 amplifier load cell, 5 kg load cell and one saline bottle. 16 cross 2 LCD display. It is connected with 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have it three parts. So full is 0.90 90 grams, 900 grams to above. So up to 2 kg, 3 5 kg. Okay, full. So 0.50 to 0.5 500 gram to 900 gram, in between mid, 500 gram and below low. Then it will send the SMS alert. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using load cell, 5 kg load cell. Okay, so here we have to add like this. Okay, so water is there. So if you open it, then the water come outside. So there is a up and down switch is there, so it will go, the water is come up. Okay, so now saline water coming out, stopped. So here we are using 5 volts power supply, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED, Arduino Uno R3 board, and here is programming, reset button, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. So here we are using GSM SIM 800L we are using. So if you press the SIM card like that, and if you press, it will be closed. So here you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, any SIM card you can use. So this is HX711 module. Now I am going to switch on the power. So whenever we are going this, it should be off. Okay, so now I am going to restart. Saline bottle, weight monitoring and alarm system. Please remove loads on load cell. GSM testing. Oh, here it is removed. Okay. Disable echo finding network. So it is loads is 0.00. So now I am going to add the weight. Okay, so now weight is full, 1 kg and above. Okay, so now I am going to full. Okay, now water is coming out. Okay, so now, so when it comes 90, then it will say you low, mid. 0.900 grams, it will come as a mid. After 500 grams, it will say SMS alert. Like saline bottle is low. Okay, 0.10. Okay, when it comes to 0.90, then it will say as mid. So here we are using Airtel SIM card, 4G SIM card I am using. With this SIM card, it will send the SMS to the predefined mobile number, which was stored on the microcontroller programming. 0.90. So 0.90, 98, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 2 90 0.90 91 89, yeah, mid. So now it comes to mid. So when it crosses to 50 and below, so okay, half of the bottle is empty, this much came. So when it comes to here, then it will send the SMS alert. Yeah, no, 0.59 mid, 58, 57, 500 and below. Okay, 500 grams and below means 400 grams, it will say as a low, it will send the SMS alert. 54, okay, now it comes to here. 0.50, yeah, 50 low. So after 3 counts it will send the SMS alert, it will check whether proper or not. Yeah, saline bottle is very low, sending SMS, low saline alert, SMS alert. So we will receive one SMS alert here. Yeah, SMS alert received. Saline bottle is low. Attend patient bed number 01. So thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded. So here is our code. So HX711 891011 A0A1 volume, okay. Arduino based weight monitoring, remove one load cell. So calibration factor, and here I am checking 10 to 50 low, 50 to 90 mid, 90 to 500 5 kg full.